Okay, so welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple more examples of finding the area, the area of a sector of a circle. Okay, so in the first example on top, we're saying, hey, we're given a circle with a central angle, or a sector of a circle with a central angle of 45 degrees and a radius of 10 inches. And so we want to find the area of that sector. And so to do that, we just use the formula for the area of a sector of a circle given degrees. And in this case, it's going to be theta over 360 degrees times the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. And we just put in the values that we know. So it's 45 degrees over 360, right? And times pi times 10 squared. Okay, and so this is going to be 1/8 times 100 times pi. Okay, or this simplifies to what? This simplifies to 25 over 4 25/4 pi, or 25 times pi over 4. Okay, and so now if we want the approximate value rounded to the hundredths place, then we get 39.27. And that's inches squared. So that's the area of the sector of a circle that has a central angle of 45 degrees and a radius of 10 inches. Now, in the second one, let's say we have a cone. We want to construct a cone out of some metal. And in order to construct a cone, you have to cut out a piece of the sheet metal so that when you bend it up and you make the cone, you'll be able to do so. Okay? So we have to find what piece we have to cut out. Okay, so now, the angle here for theta is 40 degrees and 20 minutes. And the diameter of the circle is 20 inches, which means the radius is going to be 10 inches. Okay. So now, what we want to find is the area of the stretch out. Now, what's the stretch out? The stretch out is the part that's left over after you remove the wedge, right? After you move this sector. So this is the stretch out. This is the part that you make the cone out of. Okay, so we want to find the area of the stretch out. So we're going to have to take the area of the circle and subtract off the area of the sector. So let's find the area of the sector. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this into degrees, right? It's in degrees and minutes. Well, 20 minutes is basically 1/3 of a degree, because 60 minutes equals 1 degree, so this is 1/3 of 60, okay? So 20 divided by 60 is 1/3. So this is equal to 40 and 1/3 degrees, okay? So now, what's the area of the sector? Well, we'll call this A1, and we'll call this A2, right? We know the area of the circle is just pi r squared, okay? So in this case, it's 100 pi inches squared. Now what about the area of the sector? Well, again, we're going to use this formula. So we're going to find the fraction of the area. So we're going to take the 40 and 1/3 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared, which is, again, 100 pi. So now we put that in our calculator and we evaluate it, we plug and chug, and we get approximately 35.19747. Okay, so that's the approximate area, oops, not degrees, area of the circle, so in inches squared. Okay, now, okay, so to find the area of the stretch out, we just take the 2 and subtract. So we take, so the area 2, right, area 2 is equal to the area of the circle minus the area of the sector, right? By the way, so this is going to be approximately, for the area of a circle, we get, where is it at? We get 314, 1593, hold on, 3, so 314, okay. Oh, wrong one. Sorry, wrote it the wrong place. This would be 314.159. Oops. Okay, that's what I meant. Put it in the wrong spot. Okay, so now all we're going to do is we're going to take these two numbers and subtract them. And when we do that, we get approximately, rounded again to the nearest hundredths place, is going to be 278.96. And that's the answer. So the area of the stretch out is approximately 278.96 square inches. And that's it. Have a great day.